There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening. I'm not sure what time you guys watching this video, but it is morning here. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. It's beautiful Saturday morning here in Grande, Prairie, Alberta. A little bit overcast, but nonetheless still a beautiful morning. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Thank you guys so much for liking this video, for subscribing to this channel, for commenting on this video. Thank you guys so much. It's truly appreciated. So this morning's videos, guys, is just some updates I got for you guys. The launch of a few things that I want to share with you guys that I'm super excited about, and hopefully you guys can get the same level of excitement and joy that I am having right now. And I just want to share it with you guys, and of course your support, your love and your encouragement is always needed. So of course, guys, you know my journey. You know that I've shared my journey so many times on this channel about where I started, how it went and how it's going and where I want to be. By now you guys should know all of those stuff about me. And of course it is I consider it my responsibility, I consider it a privilege, I consider it my joy to be able to help other persons to experience the very same life-changing experiences that I have experienced. And it is my goal to help as many people in my own way to accomplish their Canadian dream as well. Alright, guys, so if it is that you're here, you like this kind of content, you know what to do. Go and like the video, go and subscribe to the channel, comment, you know the thing, guys. So what am I talking about today, guys? First thing, I would like to say that thank you guys for all the love, the support that you guys have been giving us over the years, on this community and this channel. It has not gone unnoticed, and we cannot do this without you guys. You guys are our keep this community going, and we are just the facilitators. All right, guys. So definitely thanks for the love, thanks for the support, thanks for the encouragement. That's the first thing that I would like to start with right there. So we have now decided to undertake a few additional ventures in an effort to build a bigger community, in an effort to assist as more persons as possible. And you know, it's just on the platform of growth and just stability, right? One of those platforms that we have started, guys, is our very own Patreon channel, guys. Now, what is a Patreon channel? Some of you guys might know, some of you guys might not know. Patreon is another platform similar to YouTube, which allows us to share our content on another platform, but it also allows you guys to become members officially of this channel. You guys can definitely go and check it out and show me some love on our Patreon page. The link is just right in the description right down below. Now, what do you get when you become a patron of the Diandersons? Guys, there's so many perks, but one of the most important one is the ability to become a part of a community that we can help each other grow and help each other achieve each and every one of us our Canadian dream, right? So if you are watching this video and you need help with completing the LOE, to looking over your LOE and stuff like that, Patreon is the place to go. Right, become a part of our Patreon and you get access to us exclusively in terms of helping with your LOE to make sure that you get the right platform to succeed where a lot of explanation is concerned, right? Not to say that we're not going to be helping other persons who are not patrons, but I'm going to be very honest, guys. It gets overwhelming to the amount of persons who reach out to us on a daily basis asking for help with their LOEs. So if you want guaranteed help, if you want guaranteed access, the best way to do it is to go and become a patron. Go and become a patron. Go and become a patron of the Andersons. And yeah, guys, I'm super, super excited because this is something that I wanted to do for a while, but I deliberately delayed it because I know that probably timing would have been a factor. So definitely, I'm super excited about that. So show me some love where that is concerned. We have different membership tiers, different perks, different everything, but all importantly, it is about becoming a part of the community, right, guys? The other thing that I'm super, super, super excited about as it relates to Patreon is the fact that it allows me to do exclusive videos for patrons. So there are some videos that we're going to be going more in depth. We're going to be taking a deeper dive into some of the topics that we spoke about in terms of the processes, my experiences from more a deeper perspective. And also I'll be getting more immigration consultants to be coming on to the Patreon channel to help persons who really need it in order to achieve their Canadian dream, right? That one-on-one that you need. More lives where I definitely speak to people who are here, who have done it, and who wants to share their experience so that other persons can benefit. It will be done here on YouTube as well, guys, but more exclusive content will be available on the Patreon channel. Go and check it out, guys. Go and check it out. Go and check it out. I cannot say that enough. I've also decided to do a different section where our patron get to decide what they want us to talk about, what they want to see, what you guys want us to vlog, what you guys want us to video. So you can definitely do more in-depth fan requests on the Patreon channel. And that will definitely be obliged, right? Because the members of the Patreon channel are the persons who is like shareholders, right? Become a shareholder of the Anderson by becoming a patron. All right, you guys decide what we talk about, where we take this channel, what kind of content that we do. So if there's any specific content that you guys want to see, that topic that you guys want us to talk about, the best way to get it done is to become a patron, right? I'm so excited about it, guys, because I am all about sharing my journey, all about getting access to other people so that you guys can see what the journey is really like and just share on different platforms as possible. So that's the main reason why we decided to do a Patreon, guys. And you know what? I am just so excited. I know that it's gonna be a wonderful platform for many of you guys, especially persons who are thinking of coming to Canada. So definitely go and go check it out, guys. The link is just right in the description right down below. Become a patron of the Andersons. All right. That's one. As I said, guys, there's a few updates that I want to talk to you guys about. And the second one, guys, is the launch of our Grande Prairie settlement services. Now, that is something that I'm also very excited about, guys. And if you guys been following the channel, you know that we have extended ourselves so much in the past for persons, Jamaicans, non-Jamaicans who want to come to Grande Prairie and who have landed in Grande Prairie. We have extended ourselves by providing different services for free, just on a humanitarian basis, right? But now we're going to be making it official. So the purpose of the Grande Prairie settlement services is to take the burden off persons who are migrating to this beautiful city, especially persons who don't know anyone, like in terms of friends or family and stuff like that. It is our intention to provide all the services that you need in terms of finding you that first apartment, picking you up from airport, helping you find that first job, if you need a place to stay for the first couple of nights as well, while we do all of that, bring you furniture, shopping, whatever you need, right? So that is a business that we have started as well. It's called the Grande Prairie Settlement Services, guys. Definitely check that out as well. If you guys are thinking of coming to Grande Prairie, and you need advice, you need somebody to talk to about what the city is like, the ups, the downs, you know, the pros, the cons, and stuff like that. That's also a part of the package. You can call us, we can chat to you for 30 minutes, for 45 minutes, for an hour, give you guys a full update about what the city is like, being here for a couple of years, and of course, so you know exactly what you're getting into, right? And of course, as I said, guys, if you need to find that apartment before you get here, if you need that airport pickup, furniture shopping, whatever it is that you need, the Grand Prairie Settlement Services is there to make sure that your life is easier, right? To make sure that your transition is so smooth that you will be happy that you decided to come to Grand Prairie. So that's something that we are really also excited about, guys. Smash a like on the video if it is that you guys think that these two ventures are going to be transformative for like the Grand Prairie area especially, and definitely for the community, right? First things first, guys, remember, become a patron. Second thing, guys, if you're coming to Grand Prairie, contact the Andersons. Grand Prairie Settlement Services is a initiative that is not only myself or Nats, but also other persons, other employers, apartments, is a whole network of people who have come together in order to make your transition much easier. All right, guys, definitely check it out, man. Check it out, and give us a link if that is something that you are interested in. And third and finally, guys, this is something that I'm passionate about also, because I can relate to this one as well. If you are thinking of a school to 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 study, right? Because of course you guys would have known by now that I came to Canada as an international student, and I came to Grande Prairie, and the school that I went to is Grande Prairie Regional College, right? Which is now a polytechnic college, by the way. It's now called Northwestern Polytechnic, and what does it mean to be a polytechnic institute? It means it doesn't only do certificate and diploma programs anymore, but it also does trade, it also does bachelor's, it also does post graduation, it does pretty much every single thing. If you are thinking of a school to study and Grande Prairie Regional College or NWP Polytechnic has crossed your list and you want more in-depth information, contact the Andersons as well. That's also a services that we have started to do. We do not consultation, but we will just have a chat with you, and we will tell you everything about the school that you need to know. We help with your application process if you need help in terms of to apply for the school. Many people find it challenging, especially when they have never done it before, to just apply for the school and steps and understanding the fees and the breakdown and stuff like that. That's definitely something that we'll be doing as well. So definitely stay tuned for more, and please don't hesitate to contact the Andersons if any of these services are important to you. And just keep the fire blazing, right? Thank you guys so much for the love over the years, and of course the Andersons is on the way up. These services are services that we're really passionate about. We have been doing it already. We have been doing it, and we have been getting a tremendous support, but we're putting it out there now, right? Running on the Patreon if you want help with the LOE, if you want exclusive content, more in-depth knowledge about coming to Canada, what our experience is like, chatting to consultants, chatting to people who have been here. Check out our Patreon. The link is right in the description right down below, right? If you're coming to Grande Prairie and you need help transitioning because you don't know anybody, check out our Grande Prairie Settlement Services by just reaching out to us on Instagram. All right, guys, don't hesitate to check us out. And of course, if you want to apply for Northwestern Polytechnic or Grande Prairie Regional College, it is the same school. Don't hesitate to contact me, and we can have a chat, and we can give you all the platform you need to succeed. That's what this video is all about, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Enjoy your Saturday. Yesterday was rainy day. It was Canada Day yesterday. We didn't get to do much because it was so rain, and it was rainy, and it was so cold, so we just stayed inside and just hung out as a family. It was a bum day, and we didn't have one of those in a while. Today is Saturday, the day after Canada Day. It is overcast as well. It's still overcast, but I'm sure we'll find something to do today. Alright, guys, of course, if we do anything fun, you guys will be coming along. Don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the services. Let me know if there's anything that you guys would like to see us do or to improve on. Alright, guys, blessings, and thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end. See you guys in the next video.